Hi guys, this is part two of all of my Monkey Monster cards. So, one of these, and then I'm done. So we have, this is what they all look at the back, and they just have like the seed for the monster that this is PewDiePie, and it tells you the seeds that you need to get the plant so you can extract her. So, I have PewDiePie, Buster, Buster Bumblechop, yeah, Buster Bumblechop, Bernie, Theo, Simon Growl, DJ Crack, Doris, Squidge, Angel, Pally, Tulio, Liberty, Poppet, oh, Shishi, Lady Gugu. Yeah, I got Lady Gugu my first ever pack, so I really looked for that one. Jeepers, Lucky, Banana Montana, Banana Montana, Banana Montana, Iggy, Roy Scrawl, Lumi, if that's how you pronounce it, Snoggle Robinson, I think that's how you pronounce it. If the things that I haven't pronounced, please do videos on Broccoli Spears, Winscam, Humphrey, McNulty, Jonas Brothers. I have two Jonas Brothers, but I'm not quite sure if I'm trading. I have another Liberty, but I'm not quite sure if I'm trading also. Tiki, Octo, and then PewDiePie. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.